Welcome back. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to customize your Impuls Deutsch workbooks. Let's begin with customizing the title of your book. When a student creates an account in Blink Learning for the first time, they have the option of entering either a class code or a book code. This is an example of a real situation where a student sees multiple copies of their Impuls Deutsch workbooks. Two of the books belong to your student's personal library, resulting from having activated their book codes prior to joining your classroom. The custom books appear in your student's library as a result of joining your classroom with your class code. These custom books are the only products that are connected to your classroom's gradebook. It is therefore vital that you edit the title of your assigned books to allow your students to differentiate between their course materials and their personal materials. Please note, your student's personal materials are not connected to your classroom's gradebook. Any work your student does in a product that is not assigned to your course will be unavailable to you. Here's how you can edit the title of a book. Begin by clicking on My Students to view your online classroom. Make sure that you're in the area of the classroom that is labeled Content. To edit the book, we're going to click on it to open it up. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a red pen that says Edit Mode. We're going to enter Edit Mode by clicking on the red pen. To edit the title of the book, we're going to click on the option on the top toolbar that says Properties. Opening up the book's properties, we have now the opportunity to change the book's title. I'm going to name this book Lernen for German 101. When I'm ready, I'm going to click OK. The title of the book has now been changed, as is apparent in the top left corner. I'm going to close Edit Mode and repeat this process for my Zeigen book. Now that we've edited the titles of our assigned books, our student will be able to differentiate between the course books and their personal materials. Again, it is important that your student only use the books that are assigned to the course. These are the ones that we have given a custom title to. Now let's explore how to modify the content of our workbook. Start by clicking on Edit Mode. When your browser has finished loading, you're ready to make some edits. First, you'll notice that you can delete material from the chapter and exercise lists. The chapter list is located on the left-hand side of the screen. The exercise or activity list is located in the center of the screen. Please note, however, that the process of deleting material is irreversible. If you delete material from the exercise or chapter lists, you cannot get it back. The only way that you could get it back would be to reactivate your original book code and start from scratch. From this view, we're also able to rearrange existing content. To rearrange content in the exercise list, we simply click, hold, and rearrange the content as we see fit. We can do the same from the chapter list. To rearrange the chapters, I would click and hold, and then I can drag my chapter to a different location. To edit chapter properties, we're going to click on the red pen that says Edit Lesson. In this prompt, I can change the lesson title, or I can make this chapter only visible to the teacher. That means it would be invisible to the student user when I exit Edit Mode. Clicking OK, my book will reload. When my browser has finished loading, I'll notice that there is a T next to the chapter title. The T stands for Teacher, and that means that the students won't be able to see the material when I close Edit Mode. Having closed Edit Mode, we can see that Unit 1 is now hidden. To edit an activity, click on the red pen next to the activity title. In this prompt, we can change the name of the activity. We can also change the area in Blink Learning where that activity would be scored if the students were to complete it. Selecting Not Evaluable means that the activity is not connected to a gradebook. I can also select whether I want the activity to be repeatable. Selecting Only Visible to the Teacher means that this activity is hidden from the student's view when I close Edit Mode. That concludes this tutorial on how to edit your book. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the CLET USA team. If this tutorial was useful to you, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the CLET USA YouTube channel to stay up to date on news and events. Thanks and have a great day.